So friends, how are you today? Let me tell you what we are going to learn in this video of Excel tutorials. We want to add commas right after the first word in each and every cell, and we are going to use a formula because sometimes you may want to add comma right after just first word of a cell, and doing it manually is really very tough, and if you have huge data you are going to face problems. Then there is a formula that you can use. In fact, two formula I'm going to show you, and also provide you those formulas in the description so that you can just copy and paste it. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to show you the formula. These are the formula I have already written in this file. First formula is this first formula is useful when you have all the cells having multiple words in each and every cell of your data. Okay, if like this, these are the only one words. If you use this formula, it will give you some error. Okay, it's 2 actually. I'm just going and pasting it. Just to make this video short, I'm just copying and pasting things, otherwise it's going to be quite long video. Okay, so you see, for those values that have only single word, it giving us this error. Okay, now but if you have multiple, like I have mixed data, so what I will do, I will going to use this one, substitute formula, and it will keep the single words as it is, and if it found multiple words in a cell, it will automatically add comma right after the first word in your cell, and this will be done in all and each and every cell that have multiple words. So you can use these two formulas and make your life easy. Thanks for watching. Just a request, if you like the video, please don't forget to press that like button, and if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. Otherwise, thanks for watching once again.